Country. Wait, what? Hold up. I gotta start this so else the people won't be able to know what's going down. Alright, everybody. We are on our way to Vaughn's. We're gonna get some hamburgers and of course we're gonna barbecue it. This is over there driving. Yep. So let's see. Let's turn this up because I'm kind of can't. All right, that looks a little better. We looking good now. So basically, we're gonna go to Vaughn's, get stuff to eat. Then we're gonna go to Home Depot, get some potting soil and other stuff for the garden you guys saw us make. So let's get this started. And here we are. We are now at Vaughn's, and we're initially gonna start what we call the basket cam. Basket cam.
Just gonna put the camera in the basket and do a time lapse. We'll do it here and at Home Depot.
We hope you guys like that. And when do we want to start this? Right now?
Yeah.
Well, let's start it right now.
Alright guys, so that's how you do shopping with the Dago Bros.
Yep, that's how Dago Bros shop.
We're heading out to my truck. We are about to go to Home Depot. Ready? Alright, we're here at Home Depot. We're gonna start the shopping cart cam right now.
We're on our way home. I hope you guys like that basket cam shop. We'll be doing that more often as we go shopping with you guys. And like always, stay Dago.
How's it going, everybody? We're here with Dago Dad.
Peace, everybody. Here with Paco, Dago Paco. And there's Dago Puppy and Dago Dog.
We just gotta get this in the carport.
We'll
Stack it up.
start that time lapse now. Alright everybody, so we got the fertilizer all unloaded. Got Dago Dog, Dago Dad, Dago Paco, and Dago Moose. We'll resume when we get to the next part. How's it going, everybody? So right now I'm on my way back from Pasadena. So let's get that trip started. How's it going, everybody? So I made it up the hill. I'm here with Paco, and right now we are doing a pit fire. Check it out, it's burning. Alright, so right now I'm gonna set up a time lapse, basically of us hanging out and having fun. Let's get Paco up in this. I said let's get Paco up in this. Alright, so anyways.
Like that?
Yeah, that. Alright, everybody. This is Dago Bear. We're calling it a night. I'm putting out the pit fire right now, so hope you guys liked it. If you did, tell us so we know. Like always, follow us on Instagram, all that. Like and subscribe. And have a good night. See you all tomorrow.
OUNTRY. OUNTRY.